Rolling?
Yes, sir.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. This is a weird way to start a video. We are in the G80 M3, and in front of me, we have the Supra, driven by none other than Kies Motorsports. So we're gonna finish this. And we're gonna be we're actually gonna be doing a few things. This video is gonna be random. I don't know how I'm gonna, like, position this video, but we have the Supra in front.
Kind of behind the scenes kind of thing.
Yeah, kind of behind the scenes of the Kies video. I'll actually leave the Kies video linked, but we're installing an exhaust on bumps. We're installing an exhaust on the Supra. So shout out to Kies and AWE for the exhaust. Kies is gonna do a DIY on their channel. And yeah, I'm gonna try to film some like behind the scenes, but the real install is gonna be on the Kies channel. But I'll still give you guys like some like before and after shots as well. We're on our way right now to get some like before shots. Oh, by the way, if you couldn't tell, Sticks was, what did I just press? Oh, I pressed on my wife's seat setting and it's bringing me all the way. Yeah, I'm getting like crushed in the seat. There's Sticks right there.
What's up, guys? Haven't seen you in a while.
We have the G80 M3, we have the Supra over there. So we're gonna get some before shots of the exhaust. The M3 is not gonna do anything. It's kind of just here to hang out, and so is Sticks. Again, like we're gonna leave the Supra here. We're gonna drive the M3 back. And then yeah, we'll do some fun stuff with the Supra with Kies. So again, Kies, thank you. If you guys wanna see the actual videos, check out the Kies channel, but yeah.
One more time.
I bought it with 42. It was kind of high. Well, 41, 42. It's kind of high. Look, you look great in it, man. 60K. It's a steal for you.
60K and you can have my car.
That's even better. Gary, you're legally obligated to that now.
And I was here to
contract law.
And I was here to witness it.
You're my witness.
Oh damn, we're in the shop.
Oh yeah. Oh, we are in the shot. See, this is the difference. You guys watch Kies' video, and it's very like professional and directed.
And then we got these two crackheads over here, like in the back, yeah, behind the things. Like, oh shoot, we're in the shop.
But you guys can see right in there. I don't know if the shadow will let you see it. Right here. Here's the new exhaust. So shiny. I need to get one of these. That's the dyno, by the way. Pretty freaking cool. All-wheel drive dyno. This just feels like a Kies video right now. The lighting, the Kies banner, Gary. We got all the elements. When are we gonna become more legitimate and stop just using jacks and jack stands and race ramps and
pray? I don't know.
Pray the car doesn't fall on us. Dude, this is awesome. This is like official quick jacks.
Over here, like, bro, you good on that side yet? Yeah, a little more.
Yeah, this is cool. Like, look how high it's getting.
I think it's going high.
Yeah, like what would you refer to a lift like this as? Oh, that's nice. Look at my
scissor lift.
Scissor lift, right? That's what I thought. See, I said it, and you said X lift.
I don't know. It looks like an X to me.
Come on, man, stop embarrassing us. We're at Kies right now. Yeah. We have to act like we're professional.
It's vital for the. Oh, never mind.
Wow, way to rub it in. If you hear some vibrations from the car, you know what it is. So we're gonna get rid of this big diaper.
Yeah, this big cam right here is gone. Same with that thing.
So we have small mufflers. We're not gonna have a valve, right? So it's gonna be the same in sport and comfort. Yep. Good thing this is a family car. Mm-hmm. You know, all about comfort. It's interesting seeing the car from this angle. See, I should have just bought the car and done this. I would have found so much more wrong with it.
Right? We would have played, if we had a lift like this, we really would play around with cars.
Yeah. Oh, I see what you mean by like, yeah, this is not comfortable for someone like me.
No, I'm still hitting my head.
My knees can't handle this, man. My age starts with a 3 now. And
we're all catching up. And that's what your car sounds like.
What's outside?
It's X7.
Oh, the X7? Was that his X7 sounds that good?
Of course.
I mean, you can't work at Kies and not have a good sounding car. We need an exhaust for the X5.
Yes, the X5.
That way I can hear when my wife is pulling up.
Yeah.
That sounds sketchy. Because I'm playing video games. Relax, guys, relax.
Just so you guys are aware, he does have the MSC high flow downpipe. So if you have a stock downpipe, it can sound just a little bit different. So we're gonna start by taking this brace off here. There is a few 13s, 10s, 8, and E14.
Bro, why you look nervous, bro? What's up?
Because I'm freezing.
Alright.
It looks good, bro. Looking good.
I feel like I'm in style actually.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get one of those, bro. That thing's tough. Show him the back, show him the back. Yeah. There you go.
I'm just gonna steal Brian's on that.
Alright, so once the hangers are off.
So here's the stock exhaust, AW exhaust, right? It's like a big diaper. The massive, this is a resonator, right? Yeah. And then it's interesting that the resonators are now here. I'm probably gonna have a clamp again. That's what I'm most excited about. Look at this. The easy way, scan this QR code. The hard way, don't scan this QR code. AW definitely has some good marketing.
I never thought of like.
They give you a lollipop, but Joe got to it.
Because they were like, oh,
Jerk.
anything else? What's?
You gotta been here yesterday.
We're not friends anymore. Killing it, Gary. Look how sick these tips are. Dude, they're massive. Nice.
Man, get to work, man. What are you doing? You got hired, bro.
I think your liver can regrow. Just cut half of it and you should be fine.
Yeah.
I'll do whatever you say. Oh, not built for taller guys, huh? I did my share. That was it.
You can see what this looks. Okay, so I'll highlight that.
That looks good.
Very nice.
Done.
Give me 2 more revs. What? Yeah. Red line. That sounds so much better. That sounds sick.
That's nasty.
Nice.
Wait till we get to that driving shots where you start doing passes. It's gonna be crazy.
Heck yeah, and we break the speed limit. That sounded good, and it's not like too overwhelming.
Yeah,
like
no,
that's
it's
like
good.
perfect.
It's like a good
It does
amount.
sound louder in sport too.
Yo, now when you send it, oh my god, that's gonna sound crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Drive
I think we
bys.
gotta do a couple pulls now, yeah.
Yeah, heck yeah, let's do it. How do you like your work, Gary?
Oh, it's great.
Yeah?
Thanks for loaning me this car for the next.
Yeah, no,
forever.
you can have it forever. 60K.
Okay. Yeah.
I'll wait for the wire.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Thanks.
You got it. See you.
All right, guys, I figured since we have the Supra now with the full exhaust, we have the AWE exhaust and then the catted downpipe, and we also have a big single mid pipe, which has its completely factory cats on the M3. It's kind of comparable, sort of. So we're gonna get a side-by-side rev. S58 versus B58. Which one is gonna sound better? I have my theory, but we'll see. So. Supra! One more time. Supra! Alright, you guys heard it. Which one sounds better? My opinion, I don't know, man. They both sound, I can't pick. I'm not even gonna pick. They both sound good. All right, we should go before someone kicks us out. All right, guys, so you heard the G80 M3, you heard the Supra. So we're actually gonna leave the Supra here at Kies, so that way we can do another thing. I'm filming, or I actually already filmed. You guys will see another video about the Supra. We have some really big, exciting stuff, and I wanted to break these out into 2 separate videos. That way, it's just a little more organized. So this one's just gonna be solely about the exhaust on the Supra, and then the next video will be what we're doing next, which attempt to unlock. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned. But for now, this video is done. So if you guys enjoyed it, drop it a like, hit that subscribe button, and with that said, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
He really let you backwards. I'm dead.
All mine if you don't listen that much. But some of y'all don't listen at all. The same they be pushing your buttons. Got a grown man having